Page 445, 55, sorry. Do it with me in steps, please. 455. Now, today we'll do questions 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's start with the question 5. The question said, the world's largest flower, the Rafflesia اسمها, has a circumference of 286 centimeters. So C given, right? C is how much? 286 centimeters. Find the approximate what? Diameter. So the question gave us the circumference and wanted from us to find the diameter. So what's the unknown here? D, right? What's the formula that connects between the circumference and the diameter? C equal pi d. تكتب الفورمولا. C equal pi d, right? We know the pi, it's a 3.14. Now replace C under, not beside, تحت بعض, مش جنب بعض. Replace C by the given value, which is what? 286, 286 equal. Replace pi by 3.14. Multiply D, which I want, right? Good. Now, what we call this? This, what we call it? We took it too much before. One step multiplication equation, right? Why multiplication? Because the 3.14 is multiplied by D, right? There is no add, no subtract, no divide. There is nothing. Means multiplication. And we said in equations, if you have multiply, you divide both sides by the coefficient. Check. So I will divide both sides by the coefficient. What is the coefficient? It is the number which is multiplied by the variable, which is 3.14. So I will divide both sides. 3.14 D. I will divide both sides by 3.14 here, 3.14 here. You cross these, still D equal, divide these two numbers. The answer will be 91.08. 91.08 what? The same unit, centimeter. This is how we find the diameter. This is question 5. Question 6. A helicopter pad has a circumference of 47 and 1/2 yards. So the C is given also. How much? And a half what? Yards, right? So the C is given. Find the approximate diameter. They want from us to find mean. Same formula, C equal pi multiply D. C is given 47 and half equal pi 3.14 multiply D. It is multiplication equation. Divide both sides by the coefficient, which is a 3.14. Use calculator here, it's okay. So D will be this number divided by this number. It will be 15.13 yards. 15.13 yards. It's okay to use calculator in these kind of questions. But if I won't allow you to use calculator in the exams, I will bring for you numbers. It is easy to divide. Like, for example, I will keep the number here, number that can divide by this number easily. Or I will tell you, you can use calculator, it's okay. Done? Question 7. In question 7, we have find the approximate what? Radius. So here they want from us to find mean the radius, side radius, R equal. They want the radius, right? Right. Of a circle with a circumference of 34.48. C is given. 34.38. What? the unit? Inches. 48 inches. They want the radius. What's the formula that connects between the circumference and the radius? هم two formulas أخذناهم. إيش يا مستر؟ بس تكتب الفورمولا C equal 2 pi r. I didn't use the formula with the diameter because I don't need the diameter here. The question wants from us to find the radius. Now, same steps, same idea. Under the C, I will write the value of the C, which is 34.48. This is equal to multiply pi 3.14 and r comes down, right? Now, to multiply 3.14, I will simplify it. So 34.48 equals 6.28 r. Multiplication equation, divide both sides by the radius, which by the coefficient, which is 6.28 here and 6.28 here. Cross are equal. If you divide these two numbers, the answer will be 5.49 inch. 5.49 inch. Done. Question 8. Question 8. Let's read the question together. Find the approximate radius. They want from us to find mean the radius. If the circumference is 198 centimeters. C is given 198 centimeters. Use the same formula. C equal 2 pi r. C is 198. Equal comes down. The 2 comes down. Multiply pi 3.14 and r comes down. This is equal 198 multiply 6.28 multiply r. Divide both sides by 6.28 here and here. Gone. Still r equal these two numbers 198 divided by 6.28 31.53 31.53 centimeter. طبعا the questions, all of them told you to round at the end, right? And we did rounding in the example, so do the same way. This is your homework. Is it clear? طيب. Yes, yeah, Assam.
Mr. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You didn't check it with me.
I will go back and check it. I just checked the homework of yesterday. 6, 7, 8, 9, and I will write the answers for. I will write them now. Question 1.
Thanks.
Answer is in question 1, 2, 3, 4. They want the circumference, right? So apply the formula directly. So in question 1, C equal 6.28 inches. In question 2, C equal 45.63. In question 3, mute yourself, Yabni, mute yourself. In question 3, 197. Point C equal 197.82. In question 4, C equal 27.63. These are the full or the key answers of the first 4 questions. With rounding, okay? Najem?
Yes, Mr.
You solve them?
Yes.
You understand them?
Yes.
Good boy. Copy. Yes, يا عمار.
Start. Can you go back page? No, don't go back. But back one. I want to see question. أيوة بس.
Have a question 5. Have a question 6.
I just want 6.
يلا quickly.
Finish.
Do question 5 and 6, guys. Now, in the test practice, remember I gave you homework also, right? I will give you the answers now for the test practice. Just finish this homework, please, quickly. I know you must. ليش ما بتكتب؟ ليش ما بتكتب؟ ليه؟ What? Copy in the book, mister. No, these exercises, why you are not solving them in your book? Without the steps. You know, double steps. Quickly. ماشي. ماشي ماشي. Yes. What? No, you cannot. You are busy now. ولا عندك عزيمة؟ طب, this is question 5, 6. Question 7, 8, quickly. Mr. طيب, I will write the exercises, or sorry, the key answers of the test practice اللي هي page 443 with the, I gave you this homework if you remember on Monday. In test practice page 443. Question 1. Angle 2, angle C, angle ACV, angle VCA. يعني the first choice, the second, the third, and the last one, the fifth one. The fourth one, not selected, right? But question 2. In question 2, we need to tell if these vertical, adjacent, or neither, right? So you have a table, you need to fill them with x's. Here we have angle 1 with angle 3, angle 5 with angle 6, angle 5 with angle 4, angle 1 with angle 2. And here they wrote vertical, adjacent, and neither. The first one, vertical, then adjacent, then vertical, and the last one is neither. Question 3. They want from us to find the value of x will be 11.5. Questions 4. Part A. they want the equation, right? 12x plus 9 plus 105 equals 180. This is part A. In part B, they want from you to solve this equation to find the value of x. X equal, what is the value of x? What is the measure of the acute angle? X equal 5.5. The measure of the acute angle, which is 12x plus 9, is the measure of the angle 12x plus 9 is 12 times 5.5 plus 9. This is equal 75 degree. And we select questions 9 and 10. Question 9 on the next page. Rectangle اللي هو part C. And the question 10 هو part A, rectangular prism. Check your answers. And next we'll go to module 9, lesson 2, area of circles. Page 457. Done? Yalla, quickly. C, the rectangle. Quickly. Done, Yarakan? Yeah. Now, if you miss anything, you can watch the video and you can finish your copying in any question. Now, let's go to module 9, lesson 2, and focus with me, please. Module 9, lesson 2. Area of circles. We are on page 457. And today is the 20 January. Now, in the previous lesson, we found the circumference, right? We said the circumference is the length of the line around the circle, right? But today we'll find what? The area inside the whole circle. Now, in the circumference, if you remember, let's remember together. We have two formulas. We had two formulas, right? C equal pi multiply D and C equal 2 pi multiply R. These formulas for what? For the circumference. Now we are talking about area. Area, I will call it big A, like big C, big A. Right. Now the area has only one formula, and this formula needs the radius. It not like the circumference. In the circumference, we use two formulas. In the area, we have only one formula. A equal pi, we know the pi, 3.14, multiply R to the power of 2. This is formula to find the area of the circle. So to find the area, we need the radius. We need what? The radius. We need, good. But to find the circumference, if you have the radius, we can use it. If you have the diameter, we can use it, okay? But the formula here for the area to find the whole area inside the circle, okay? Done, done. Let's go to do example 1. Example 1. Find the area of a given the radius. We are on page 458. Example 1, page 458. The question wants from us to find the area of the following circle. Find the area. Close your book. Thank you. Of the given of the following circle. They gave you the circle, this with the green, blue, the green color, okay? And they gave you this. This is what? 14.2 inches. This is for the radius, huh? So I have the radius, and they wanted from me to find the area. First step, I'll write the formula. A equal pi multiply r to the power of 2. Equal under equal. Pi 3.14. 3.14 multiply r, how much? 14.2 power of 2. Now, if you have a number and has power of 2, means you need to multiply this number by itself how many times? 2 times. So this is equal 3.14 multiply 14.2 multiply 14.2. So any number power of 2, you need to multiply it by itself how many times? Power 3 times. You know the exponents, right? Now multiply these three numbers. The answer will be 633.15. طبعا round it to the nearest hundredth. If necessary, we will round same idea of the circumference. So the answer is 633.15. What is the unit of the area? If you remember, we put the same unit for the circumference. If the radius in centimeter, the unit of the circumference, centimeter. But here the unit is what? Inch. What we will put the unit here? I put inch. Okay. What we call it? Square inch. Square inch. Square inch. It's important. You can say square inches and you can write it like this. Or you can say square inch. Not inch alone. This is wrong. The unit is important for the area. You need to put the unit. And the unit you need to put exponent 2 on. How we read it? Inch power 2 or inch square. Done? Done. If you don't know how to multiply these three numbers here, then you have a problem. You have what? Because we took how we multiply decimals before. You multiply without decimal, then you count digits and put your decimal point. So if you don't know how to multiply these three numbers, then you have a problem. You need to fix it. But let's do the check. After this example, page 458, write it in steps. Check. After example 1. Find the area of the circle. Use a 3.14 for pi. Write your answer as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth. Let's do it in details. This is the circle which is given in the question, and they gave us the radius, which is 18.75, and the unit centimeter. Write the formula. The given is the radius, and the formula include the radius, right? So A equal pi multiply r to the power of 2. Equal under equal. Pi 3.14 multiply 18.75 to the power of 2. This is equal 3.14 multiply. This number multiplied by itself how many times? 2 times 18.75 multiply 18.75. This is equal, calculator مين معاه? This is equal 3.14. Wait. Yeah. 3.14 multiply 18.75 multiply 18.75. It will be 1,103.90625. 1,103 point what? 90625. 90625. This is the full answer. But the question wants us to round to the nearest 100. Where is the hundredths? The 0 is the hundredth. How we round? We take a look to the next number. If the next number 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, we add 1 to the 0. If the next number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we don't add 1. So here it is 6, so the 0 will be, and the other numbers, we after the 0, we forget them. So this is equal, and here you put the sign of the rounding. 1103.91. What's the unit? Centimeter squared, or you can say square centimeter. It's the same, either this or this, one of them. This is the check page 458 after example 1. Okay. Your homework for today is question 1 and question 2. Question 1 and question 2, page 465. Don't do the rest of the questions. Question 1 and question 2. Done. Plus, you have online assignment today. Don't forget that. Guys, in the online also. Online assignment started from 2 p.m. from today until 11:55 in Saturday evening p.m. 5 questions. Don't forget to do them. See them. You can see them. See the questions and you will know. So you have question 1 and the question 2 in page 465 for this lesson. And you have online assignment. You need to do them during the weekend. I'll put marks on. That's all. Thank you.